Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Ginour 1/2 inch drive impact socket set. It's a 19-piece impact socket set, CRV, with 6 point from 8 millimeters to 24 millimeters socket metric nuts. That's really awesome. 16 sockets, metric sockets with 3 pieces, 1/2 inch drive impact extension bar set by Ginour. And it's really awesome if you're going to fix some problems on your car, for example, or you have to attach bigger and not so big nuts to another device. No problem with that, and it's compatible to so many other opinions out there, like electronic socket branches, torque wrenches. No problem with it. And of course, you can use it by using this hub device to use that while you're using an electronic screwdriver. That's awesome. And it's constructed and forged with high-strength chrome vanadium steel, heat treated with a black phosphate finish to resist the corrosions. It's rust and wear, and it comes with a 6 point socket design and large contact surface between the socket and the fasteners. It looks forced more firmly. It reduces the wear and it prevents rounding off at corners. And the sockets come from 8 up to 24 millimeters. And there are so many of them included in this 16 pieces of impact socket set. This will meet our daily maintenance need. Equipped with a 5-inch and 10-inch extension, it can adapt to deep thread holes. The adapter can be used for electric drills, etc. too. No problem for it, baby. It's made with a permanent laser size marks with high contrast, high visibility, easy to identify sizes and numbers, even in low light conditions. And a socket set can be used not only by pneumatic branches, but also by electric drills and, of course, by electronic branches too. No problem, really no problem, because it is compatible with all of them out there. And then, if you're going to use it on an electric screwdriver, you have to select a socket set less than 10 millimeters. That's better for it. But otherwise, you can choose what you need: 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 nuts size. No problem. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Everything is included here. It made out of 50 BV30 material, better than the CRV material, increased service life. The whole is heat treated and the hardness is 42 up to 48 degrees. With the spring ball or the spring steel ball design, its better fastening sleeve and quick disassembly are possible. It's compared with others. The surface treatment of the enlarges phosphate is more rust-proof and durable, not easy to scratch. It is 10 inches in length, which is 2 inches longer than the other out there. The 5-inch extension rod is really awesome, and the 3-inch screwdriver connectivity part is godlike, I think. And electric drill extension rod meet the needs of the different tools, increase torque and save effort. All pieces are packed in a rugged, compact carrying case for storage and portability. The socket size labels are nice to read and nice to identifications. That's an awesome thing. Really. The Ginour Impact Socket Set provides the professional tools in car repair and tackle the hard-to-reach fasteners. A socket set is indispensable around the home, garage and workshop, in combination with turning tools such as wrench, we can choose the right size socket set to loosen or tighten the nuts and bolts in the vehicles we are using. We can save time and money in one step because it comes with a deep depth, a laser edged scythe, a 6-point socket design, and high strength chrome vanadium steel, a corrosion resistant black phosphate finish, which I really like, and an organized storage case, and a square interface. This is a standard in business. And the extension things I think are really awesome. 10-inch, 5-inch, and 3-inch. Everything is possible. Electric drill extension rod, non-slip steel balls, square interface, and half-inch. This is a standard which you can use on all your socket wrenches. Nearly all your socket wrenches, of course. And we have a customized storage case included. And it's for so many different jobs possible to use. It comes with extensions to use it more accurately, and then you can reach deeper nuts easily. Oh yeah. And of course, you can use it in the focus on automotive. If you have a car to fix some problems, you can use this Ginour 1/2-inch drive impact socket set here. It's a big set for big power in your assembling and disassembling. Yeah, with electronic parts of it, or with this old school socket wrenches, or of course you can use it by using the torch wrenches. No problem with this Ginour 1/2-inch drive impact socket set here, with more than 19 pieces of impact socket set CRV. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.